Hello! In this video I will unbox the PIXMA G3420. Hey Google, what is unboxing?
According to Wikipedia, unboxing is the unpacking of products, especially high-tech consumer products, where the process is captured on video and uploaded to the internet.
Similar items as you find in the box of PIXMA G3420, you find in the other models of the same series. These are the items that can be found in the box of the PIXMA G-Series after the unboxing. To see the full unboxing, continue watching this video, but if you touch the right up corner of the screen, then you will find videos about setting up this printer with inks, printer head and much more. When you open the box, you get information about unboxing and about transportation of the printer, where you need to close the ink valve. See the video part 4 about the maintenance and transportation on G-Series. You will find video on installation and software by touching the right up corner of the screen in part 5. these are the items that can be found in the box of the PIXMA G series after the unboxing. And that would be all in this video. Find more about PIXMA G-Series printers on my YouTube channel. And feel free to subscribe, turn on the bell so you won't miss my next uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye! Hey Google, talk to Canon printer.
Welcome to Canon Printer. What would you like me to print?
Print a coloring pages.
I can print out coloring pages for children or for grown-ups. Which one would you like?
For children.
Printing for you now. I can also print out number place puzzles, notebook paper, checklist paper, staff paper and more.